Most people get this wrong. They assume Unity's pricing is complicated. But here's the surprising truth. Understanding the right plan depends entirely on your development goals, team size, and revenue model. Unity offers several plans: Personal, Plus, Pro, and Enterprise. The Personal plan is free, but limited to users earning less than $100,000 annually from Unity projects. It includes core features like 2D and 3D engines, asset store access, and basic support. For indie developers or hobbyists, this plan is often sufficient. The Plus plan costs around $399 per year and is aimed at small studios or solo developers earning less than $200,000 annually. It removes the Unity splash screen, provides cloud storage, and includes enhanced analytics and priority support. Pro is $1,800 per year and is for studios or developers generating more than $200,000 annually. This plan offers advanced cloud services, performance reporting, and customizable splash screens. It also includes enterprise-level support, making it ideal for professional studios or teams working on commercial projects. Finally, Enterprise is custom-priced and designed for large organizations requiring multiple seats, advanced collaboration tools, and dedicated support. This plan can include training, consultancy, and access to beta features. The surprising truth is that the right plan is less about features and more about revenue thresholds and team requirements. Many developers overpay by choosing a Pro plan when Plus or even Personal could meet their needs. In conclusion, Unity's pricing is structured to scale with your growth. Understanding your revenue and team size will help you pick the most cost-effective plan without losing essential tools. Subscribe for more detailed tech and software guides to save money while getting the most out of your tools.